Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Buick Enclave. This is the premium all-wheel drive with the 1SN package. Sun in Sights is what 1SN is. Total price of $56,035. Sorry about the bad camera angle, I'm just trying to block the wind. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna go right inside. Really beautiful interior. Dark slate metallic over shale with ebony accents. Woohoo! Nice and chilly. Sunroof. Nice stitching all throughout. This is all soft touch here, except for the lower part. That's hard plastic. There's a storage area right down here. That's all leather. Everything up here is soft touch, except for right up here. It's all nicely stitched. This is all soft touch. Seats are super comfortable. Ha! And they're massaging. Oh yeah. All your different settings, lane keep assist, parking, different modes, tour and tow haul, all-wheel drive. That massage is gonna be great. I'm surprised I didn't see that button before. Control your rear climate through here, all your different cameras. Alexa. So, I do believe these come with Alexa, but you have to. It's in demo mode, so it's not really gonna work. No, I think, what is it? Hey Buick, something like that. But either way, we'll go ahead and take it for a drive. This one, of course, features the 3.6 V6, made it to the 9-speed. When you put it in low mode, you can use the paddles to limit what gear it stays in. I'm turning off that massage. It is aggressive. It's more massaging your lumbar than anything else. Great traffic. I'm a fan of light colored interiors. I really always have been. Ooh, sorry. And here it just really helps liven up the interior a bit. Light colored headliner too. I mean, the materials that Buick uses are absolutely beautiful. Buick is kind of like GMC, where it's GM's luxury division, just below Cadillac. The ride is absolutely fantastic. Super comfortable. The seats are amazing. No complaints at all. Overall driving dynamics, it's very, very similar to the Traverse, but everything's just a little bit more refined. So if you drive a Traverse looking to upgrade into the Enclave, you'll be very familiar with everything, and you'll also realize that this drives very similar, but also way more luxurious feeling, just because of the whole different dashboard, all the materials and stuff like that. It's just absolutely fantastic. Oops, I forgot to fix the drill. That's what just hit the other door. I was gonna slide again, and ba-boom. Ba-da-doop. It's honestly really fun to drive. It's definitely surprising. I'm a big fan of the powertrain itself. The 9-speed made it to the 3.6. Really superb. No complaints there. Overall, I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with this thing. Such an awesome SUV. And I think it's absolutely perfectly priced for what you're getting. I'm about to take out an Avenir. That video should be coming tomorrow. When you see this one, it should be the next video to go up. But the Avenir is absolutely fantastic, but this is just as good, if not a little bit better, because of the cheaper price. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.